Hello friends, today I will tell you about some special features of WhatsApp that you may not even know about. So friend, watch the video till the end. Hello friends, welcome to the Chetan Technical YouTube channel. My name is Chetan Sharma. Friends, there is a request for you. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So let's learn something different today. The first feature is that the message to any person will automatically disappear in 7 days. Yes friend, if you send a message to someone, so it disappear on in 7 days. I will give you complete information with proof step by step. First we have to go to WhatsApp. After that we will select the person whose message we want to delete in 7 days to automatically. First you have to select one person. As I select this person, what to do after that, on which you can see the name, you will have to click on the name of this person. As soon as you click on the name, you see a 4 number options. Disappearing message will be written, so you have to go on it. After clicking on it, you will see a message written above. Turning on this setting will make new message disappear from this chat after 7 days. Means if you message send, the will be deleted automatically. One more thing to keep in mind friend, if you have received any message in this chat such as a video or images, it is not deleted from your phone memory, will be deleted only on this chat. So for this you have to turn this setting on. As you turn on, this setting will be activated like you can see below on chat. Now let's move to another feature. The second feature is send message to many people with one click. How? When you message someone or someone wish, for example, suppose you have this message and you want to share it with your friends, that what happens here, you can share with up to 5 chat. This means that you can share this message with only 5 chat at a time. Cannot do share with more people than that. But from now on this will not happen. You can share a message with more than friends. That to add on, what do you have to do for this? How that? First you have to click on the 3 dot. You will have to go to the new broadcast options. After clicking on it, then you will be given an interface like this. After that, here comes the list of your WhatsApp friends. Here you will have to select those friends, those whom you want to message. You can select as many friends as you want in your chat. Here you can unit more than 20, 30, 50, which is your friends. After that you have to click on the tick button below. In this way a group will be formed. This group is made just for you. Whoever has the added to your new broadcast group, they will not know that you have created the group. Whatever will you message through this group, like I am messaging this message is the person be selected, they will receive it personally. They will not know that you have added a group and you have messaged them. Very few people know about this group, and by creating this group you can message more than 5 people at once. Now let's move on the third feature. The next feature is to create a shortcut to any chat. Friends, you can make a shortcut to any person's chat from here. Just like there is someone with whom I talk more to daily. If I do not fall on WhatsApp, then what will I do? that will make the shortcut for this chat. So for that I will first select that person which I want to chat a shortcut. When the check mark will come, after that you have to click on three dot, then you will see the top written is add chat shortcut. So we will click on the shortcut. After that you will go out of WhatsApp, then you will see that what I create shortcut of my mother. You will see it here. Now if I want to message them, then I will open this chat and will reach direct on their chat. I don't have to on WhatsApp for this. This type is a very useful feature. The fourth feature is who show the message sent to the group. Yes friend, now you can know how many people have seen the group you messaged. If you have a group such as a school, office or a family etc, sending your message to it, then you can know how many people have seen your message. After all, you can we know this like I messaged. After all, how can we know this? Like I messaged in my group. This is the group I messaged by myself. Now I want to know how many people have seen this message. I will press on this message for a while. After that we will fall into three dot. As soon as we go to three dot, the option of info will appear. Clicking on them, all those who show my message, they will appear here. So many people have received my message. Now you must be looking at the last one remaining. This means that the one who is seen in the last contact has received my message, but he has not even seen my message. So with the help of this feature, you can now who has seen the message sent to your group, who have not seen it. Now the next and last very useful feature is do personal chat with group chat. This means that you can personally reply to the message of someone in the group. After press the message, have to go three dot. It will be written here reply privately. You have to click on it. Now after clicking on it, you will reach that person's chat, and from here you will be able to reply privately to the message fixed in the group. In this way you can message anyone directly through the group. So friends, how did you like their 5 features? Please tell me by comment. So friend, if you like this video, then click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you not have to subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, because I will keep bringing the video to you in this way. Thanks for watching.